Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to make inverter using a inductor. As you can see, we can find this inductor inside a power supply like this. As you can see guys, like this. So they use a plastic to cover the ferrite core, so we are going to remove the plastic. So this is it guys. So guys, I'm using the ferrite core, as you can see, as my primary winding, and I make use of 505. This is the loop 55 guys. So let's make this, and I series like this, as you can see, because the inductor was like this, two-way like this, two-way like this. So I series to have a maximum output guys. So let's try it. Output wires for the AC output, and yes for the input, and this is the positive. See guys, we've connected our wire that came from the drain of the MOSFET, and this middle wire is for the positive for the battery. As you can see, this is the positive, and we have our negative. This is our negative. So I'm connecting the positive to the switch. So this is the positive, and here's the negative for the driver, and here's our output guys. Then we are using a voltage multiplier. See guys, the project has been completed. This is a battery, 6-volt battery. This is our driver from drain. As you can see guys, the wire came from the drain of the MOSFET, and this is an inductor. We can find it inside the power supply, for example, like this guys, like this, as you can see, like this. So this is a voltage multiplier, and we are using this bulb to test it guys. So let's go. So guys, let's give it a try. As you can see, it is working. As you can see guys, we are using inductor, transformer. Please subscribe to my channel. and I will see you in the next video, guys. As you can see, guys, this is a inductor transformer. So guys, we want to test our inverter with this power supply module. As you can see, this is the input and here's the output, 12-volt output. So let's try it, guys. So here is a 12-volt DC front, guys. So black to the negative, then red, white to the red, which is positive. So guys, let's give it a try. As you can see,